Yeah, Jackie and Tracy, under this arbitration, the city is being directed to reinstate Ryan Pownall and also to pay him wages, benefits, and overtime that he lost during that period, except during the time when he was facing felony charges and could not operate as a police officer. The case dates back to 2017 and a shooting in North Philadelphia. Officer Ryan Pownall was initially charged with third-degree murder, accused of shooting David Jones in the back while he fled. The criminal charges were tossed out by a judge, and now after an arbitration, Pownall is set to be reinstated as a police officer. In a statement, the head of the local police union said, quote, "The FOP Lodge Number 5 and fellow officers stood in solidarity with Pownall and his family throughout this entire ordeal. We're happy to see Pownall reinstated to his job, and he looks forward to protecting this great city," end quote. What are your thoughts on this outcome?
Well, I mean, the outcome was very disappointing.
Anthony Arachi is interim executive director of the Citizens Police Oversight Commission.
Arbitration has to work like it's supposed to. It's supposed to be a thoughtful understanding of the policies of Philadelphia Police Department, effectively evaluated, and then a thoughtful decision is rendered. And what we're seeing in a lot of these cases are decisions that are indefensible based on the facts that were presented before them.
He says the commission agreed with the police department's initial findings. He says they're also not against arbitration, but questions the outcome of this one.
The decisions have to be reflective of the actual facts of the case, and we feel that they failed in this particular one.
So you don't feel that Mr. Pownall should be an officer again?
No, CPOC does not.
We also spoke today to District Attorney Larry Krasner, who initially brought criminal charges against Pownall. What are your thoughts now on the outcome of that and the potential for him to be reinstated?
Well, I have no influence over arbitration. I have no influence over the arbitration laws. And my only comment on this, for reasons that should be obvious, is I don't consider this matter over. Do you have any other questions?
What do you mean by you don't consider it to be over?
That's all I have to say on the point at this time.
I reached out to the Philadelphia Police Department and to the city itself to find out what happens next in this, and they have not sent me that information at this point, nor have they sent me a comment on the arbitration outcome. Live in Center City, I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC 10 News.